guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing a hat because it's cold outside and I love streaks on my forehead, so wearing this hat still. Okay, anyways, let's jump into this video. It's gonna be a small tiny little haul, but the most exciting part is gonna be opening up the GoPro, so I'll leave that for last. Let's start with American Eagle. I went shopping at American Eagle and I got only a few things. I'm gonna keep everything, but we'll see. I got this cute little pink top that they have, and I think it'll look really cute on, especially in the summertime, and I love the color. I thought it would look great on my skin tone. And then I got two shorts. These are the things I don't know I'm going to be keeping. I bought these ones, and these ones normally look good on me, but then I got these ones. I saw it on the mannequin, and I thought, oh my god, that is super cute. It reminds me of the 70s or the 80s, and so I got them, and I'll keep one of them, see which one looks better on me, and we'll go from there. Then I went to Ulta. I didn't get very much. I just got what I actually needed. I got my another Shape Tape concealer that I actually really needed. I'm running out of the other one, and I don't want to go to Sephora again in a while. I ran out of my toner. I love the Wonderpore toner. It's out now, and the only place I can get it is through online, and I ran out, and I thought I had it calculated down to a T, but I didn't. So I ended up going to Ulta and I got a new one. I got the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clarifying Mattifying Toner. It says it's good for blemished skin, and I'm hoping that maybe this is going to help me with my acne scars that I have on my skin. You guys can't really see them right now because I'm wearing makeup, but I would like for them to not be there even when I'm not wearing makeup. Then I went to Target, and when I was at Target, I saw this really cute shirt. I love the color of it. I got one similar to this in France when I went to France, but this one was a lot softer, and I really liked how it felt, so I was like, I need to get this. I don't even care that it's Target. I also got a new case for my computer, but my computer's out there in the living room, and I really don't want to go out there to get it, but it's really cute. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you guys will see it on there. If not, I don't know what you guys are doing and not following me on Snapchat. You guys should totally follow me on Snapchat. Okay, so anyways, moving on. I got this really cute Viking sweater. I actually got this for my birthday for my aunt, but she just gave it to me today. So putting this in the little haul, even though I didn't buy it, and it's super soft. I really like it. James is going to be really angry that I got a Viking sweater, but whatever. Getting closer to the end, I ordered these online from somebody that was selling them through a website called Mercury. I sell some stuff on there if you guys want to check it out. It's Mercury. It's just an app you can download on your phone. I'm pretty sure my name on there is Myerlyn, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if you guys can even look people up, but I'm selling stuff on there. I'm selling some cool stuff on there if you guys can check me out or not. But I got these. I got another Ginger Girl because I really love the color, and I don't know if they're going to come out with that color in their original line or not. And if I run out, I don't know what am I going to do. Like, I can't buy it anymore. So I bought it before she sold out. And then I also got two more colors. I got the Bite Me and the shade Chihuahua from the Chihuahua collection, and I really love these both. And then she also gave me a little sample, which was super cute of her to do. Okay, then next, getting into the fun stuff for the GoPro, I got a little case. I want to tell you guys, but I'm not sure yet. I should just tell you, because maybe by the time maybe I'll upload that video before this. So I'm going on a cruise, and on the cruise, I'm gonna go snorkeling and doing all that fun stuff. So I got a cover for the GoPro so I can put it into salt water, because they said that if I put it into the salt water, it could damage the wires because of the salt. It could corrode it. So I got this just to be safe. And lastly, I got the GoPro Hero 7. I got the silver one that has the 4K. They had three options. I wanted the white one, but my mom was like, just get the silver one. So I was like, okay, fine, if you say so. So I got this one. I didn't want the black one because the black one, it was just the extra live streaming thing, and like I'm never gonna live stream, so I just stuck with this. hopefully I don't break anything. Let's go ahead and open this, if I can figure out how to do that. So this is, I got it out. This is something about damage replacement. I'm not really sure what that is. Hopefully it's not, it doesn't come damaged. I'm actually not sure how to get this off of this part. Comes with this. Not sure what that is, so I'll have to figure that out. And then a charger, probably another one. Okay, so the GoPro is on here. I don't know how to get it out, so let me figure out how to get this out and then I'll record again. Okay, so I was able to get it off. I'm gonna go ahead and play with it and figure out how this works, and then yeah, videos to come with the GoPro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.